In this video, we will show you how to reset Epson L3219 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. Before you download and use this resetter or adjustment programs, we suggest you to disable for a while your antivirus, include Windows real-time protection and the tamper protection if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11. After you disable for a while your antivirus, then you can download this resetter, the link on comments. After you download the files, you can just right-click on the file and select Extract All and click Extract button. After that, you can open the resettle folder and you need to run the adjustment program files here. But for the first time use, you need to input the password that you can see the password on these txt files. Then you can run the adjustment programs. After that, you can click Select button in here. Then you can click Model Name and select Epson L3219 printer and click OK. After that, click Particular Adjustment Mode button here and choose Wash Ink Pad Counter and click OK. Tick Main Pad Counter option, Flatten Pad Counter option, and the Ink System Pad Counter options. After that, you can click Check button. Then you can click Initialize button. After the resetting works, you can just click Finish and immediately turn off your printer. After that, you can turn back on your printer again. If you face error here, you can try to moving your USB printer into another port available on your computers. Then you can try to repeat the resetting process. And that's all tutorial how to reset Epson L3219 printer using resetter or adjustment programs. If you have any question, you can fill in the forms comment below. Thanks for watching and hope this video helpful for you.